Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Just yesterday, I drew this, and before I erased it, I thought, how cool would it be to be kind of like a cone, two different ways? And because I think I stated in that video that you could make it in anything. So 10-sided polygon real quick. And like we did before, take a straight line and go from that node to that node, and then make it longer, quite a bit longer. Control D, make a duplicate of it. Alternate C to have it rotate from the center 36 degrees. My numbers are on lock. And you have that space. So now what we can do is take an ellipse. Well, first of all, let's take a straight line and just kind of go across, because that's going to be our center line. If we go from right, grab another line, we'll have to click off of it and then get the line and go right to the center, but we still want that. And you want to make sure that's perfect. So I'd always zoom in, make sure it's there. Now let's take a 3-point curve line or anything. I mean, just use your imagination and go from that line and then hold down the control button and make it perfect. And then go over that line again, hold down the control button, and you could do anything you wanted. And then on the first one, I separated it, but on this one, I didn't. So we're just going to take these lines away, and you could leave them or do whatever you want to with it. Now we're going to take the Smart Fill tool just like we did in the other part. Let's make this one orange. And let's fill that with orange, that with orange, that with orange. Now select that one. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to move these out of the way, and I'm going to delete that because I didn't group them together like I normally do. Grab the top one, get your interactive fill tool, and just kind of swipe across. You know, this one I'm going to try a cylindrical fill. And let's put black in the middle. And then bring in our orange. I kind of like that in a way. Not perfect, but it'll work. Then you got two sides of this. So interactive fill tool, go across, put a little black. Too much, so I'm going to expand the black out. Then click on that, black. Or you don't have to use black. You know, you could use a color. And you could, you know what? We still have a line there. Let's try this. Let's move this out of the way. I guess I don't have a line. Tell you what, let's make an outline white. Look at that, make an outline white. So now it's kind of got like a different look, and you do not have to have that. I'm not 100% pleased with the points, but that's a different look. Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, alternate C to have it rotate, and rotate it at 36 degrees. And you could always take the lines away later. I don't know what you'd call that. Let's look at it without the lines. Or make the lines black. I like it. I like it a lot. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.